What you're seeing right here is a blog post created on an Elementor website. And I'm going to show you how to do that in this video. And you might think that's too simple, but there seems to be a lot of confusion about how this works. So I'm going to try to clear that up in this video. So when you create a blog post on a WordPress site, you just go into the dashboard, go to Posts and Add New, and then you basically just fill out this form. You give it a title, you add some text. You'd probably want to add more than that, but however much you add is up to you. You would want to then change the permalink, which you can do once you publish it. Give it a category, maybe add some tags if you had tags, add a featured image, put that one on there. Define your excerpt. Most blog setups will take the first part of your blog post as an excerpt automatically, or you can predefine one that you want specifically written as an excerpt. Then click on Publish, and your blog post is done. And once published, you can change the slug, which is the part of the URL that comes after your domain name for the blog post if you want. And you can view it, and bada boom, there it is. Now that's how you create a blog post in WordPress, but that's also how you create a blog post in Elementor, because Elementor is designed to create everything on a website. And so a lot of people think blog posts should be created in Elementor as well, but they're actually not. Blog posts from the very beginning of WordPress up until right now have been created inside the posts editor, where you just go to Posts and Add New, or you might have a custom post type for different kinds of posts as well. And then Elementor can be used to create templates that modify the appearance of the blog posts. The blog post content up until now, and probably into the future, is always going to be created inside the post section. And I think that's where the confusion is. A lot of people are confused because Elementor does everything. How do you do blog posts in Elementor? Because Elementor does everything, but Elementor does not do everything. You still do your blog posts right here. And then under templates, if you have the Pro version of Elementor, you can go to Add New Template, and you can select Single if you have the Pro version. Let me just activate my Pro version so I can show you. Go to Add New again, and we have the option for a single post, and you can call this Single Post Template's a pretty good name for that. And then you can create the template that all of your posts go into. I'm not going to show you this in this video because I have this video over here. Use an Elementor blog post template to design your WordPress blog posts. This one walks you through the exact steps on how to do that. I'll link to this video in the description down below if you want to check that out. But the reason I made the video you're watching now is because a lot of people seem to be confused about Elementor doing everything. So how do you make blog posts in Elementor? And the answer is, technically you can't, because Elementor doesn't do everything. Elementor will build templates for your blog posts, which is basically the design of the blog post, but your blog posts will always be made, at least up until now, in the post section inside of WordPress. So I hope that clears up any issues that you guys might be experiencing with that. And next up, check out this playlist right here. It's the Elementor Skills playlist on my channel, where I help you level up your Elementor skills. The one down below it is the WordPress Skills playlist. If you want to really level up your skills, check out both of those. And if you haven't done so yet, click subscribe and ring the bell so you don't miss any future videos. My name is Bjorn from WP Learning Lab. Till next time, keep crushing it, and I will see you in the next video.